In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a GoDaddy domain to your Squarespace site, making the process smooth and straightforward. If you've recently purchased a domain from GoDaddy and are looking to connect it to your Squarespace website, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get your domain linked up seamlessly. First, start by heading over to your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings tab. You'll find this on the Home dashboard, and it's where you can manage all the technical aspects of your site. Next, click on Domains. This section is your gateway to managing your website's domains, whether it's buying a new one or connecting an existing one. Now, you'll want to click on Use a Domain I Own. This is an essential step as it allows you to link a domain you've already purchased elsewhere, in this case from GoDaddy. When prompted, enter the full domain name you bought from GoDaddy. Make sure you type it in correctly, including any extensions like .com, .net, or whatever your specific domain ends with. This ensures that Squarespace knows exactly which domain you're referring to. After entering your domain, go ahead and click Connect Domain. At this point, Squarespace will try to automatically identify your domain provider. It's a handy feature that often saves time. However, if Squarespace doesn't automatically identify GoDaddy as your provider, don't worry. There's a drop-down menu available and you'll just need to select GoDaddy from the list. This manual selection ensures that Squarespace knows where to look for your domain settings. Once you've selected GoDaddy, click Connect Domain again. This is where things start to come together. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log into your GoDaddy account. This step is crucial because it allows Squarespace to access your domain settings and make the necessary adjustments to connect your domain seamlessly. Log in with your GoDaddy credentials, ensuring you have the correct login information on hand. If you're already logged into GoDaddy in another tab, you might find that it connects automatically, saving you a step. Once logged in, follow any additional prompts to authorize the connection. And just like that, your GoDaddy domain should now be connected to your Squarespace site. It can take a little while for changes to propagate, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. It's a good idea to check back after a few hours to make sure everything is working as expected. This simple guide will show you how to add your GoDaddy domain to your Squarespace site, ensuring that your online presence is professional and cohesive. By following these steps, you can easily manage your domain settings and enhance your site's functionality. If you run into any issues, both Squarespace and GoDaddy have excellent support resources that can help troubleshoot any problems you might encounter. Thanks for watching and happy building.